Hello guys, if you want to learn about Excel basics to advanced, this is the right place. Let's start the basic lecture number 1. Let's go to the screen. First of all, how to start Excel. If you want to traditional, just go to search Excel. Just go to search Excel. You can find, but it is not a good idea. The shortcut key is window plus R. Run command. This is a run command. You can see, you can type the Excel. I already typed the Excel. Just enter. You can see that the Excel sheet. First of all, you have to know what is called it. It is called it row. It's called it row. This is and this call is column. This call it column. This is formula bar. ठीक है. What is this? What is this? This is A1. What we can say that this row A column 1. Row A column 1. Okay. If you go to this column, you can say that row A column 6. You can see that row A column 6. Okay. Next, if you want to zoom in and zoom out without any manual instruments, yes, you have to manual instruments, but less. Just click Control plus mouse up button, up down. You can see that if you do down, you can see that zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. You can see that. Okay. Otherwise, you can by these things. You can see plus, zoom in, you can do minus, zoom out. Okay, you can do it. This, if you tap it one column, one row, and drag it, this is the size. This is the size. You can see that start with E5 to H12. Okay, this is the all of thing, the basic lecture number 1. Please subscribe this channel and like and share.